The best products start with the best materials, which is why you can be sure that your fence is made of the highest grade materials to create the strongest, most durable, and low maintenance product anywhere. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of proper post installation. Before you begin, identify any obstructions and make sure you have your utility lines and underground irrigation systems marked. Don't forget to follow all local building codes and obtain a permit where necessary. To begin, make sure your fence run is straight by installing line stakes and running a string line. The string should be positioned on the side of the posts and be very tight. The location of your gate will determine the layout of the posts for the fence line. The width of your gate will determine the spacing between your gate posts. It is important to assemble your gate first to get the gate width measurement. The gate width plus the space needed for your gate hardware to function correctly will determine the distance between the gate posts. As a general rule, the hinge and the latch require a 1-inch gap each. An additional 1-inch gap is required for a double gate. Be sure to refer to the gate hardware installation instructions for your specific hardware. Next, use a tape measure and mark the location for each post. Most posts are to be installed 72 inches or 96 inches from center of post to center of post. Tip: the width of all of our fence panels can be reduced. Remove the string line, leaving the stakes, and dig the post holes. We recommend the depth of the holes be 30 to 36 inches. If installing with concrete, 5-inch posts will need a 1-foot diameter hole and 2 80-pound bags of concrete for each post. 4-inch posts will need a 10-inch diameter hole and 2 60-pound bags of concrete for each post. If installing with Fast 2K concrete alternative, 5-inch posts will need an 8-inch diameter hole and 4-inch posts will need a 6-inch diameter hole. The size of the post will determine the size of the bag of Fast 2K needed. You'll need 1 bag per post. Next, reattach the string line to the stakes and place a post in each hole. We've found that it's quicker and easier to install 1 post and 1 panel at a time. As you set the posts, use the string line to ensure the fence line is straight. For instructions on assembling the fence panel, watch the installation video for your specific style of fence. Finally, for high wind areas, make sure to follow the additional steps provided in the installation guide.